Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 58 Albert Street. This home, a rare low set on the south side, is up for sale. Let's go through and take a quick look. I really love the open plan feel inside this home, and this kitchen overlooking the lounge room complements the generous 3 bedrooms on offer. "58 Albert Street is in a very central location. As a matter of fact, it's just a short walk up the hill to the Rockhampton Base Hospital. The corner allotment, low set home and 3 generous bedrooms make this a very attractive proposition. If our team can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.